We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. Our team was really excited to hear high praises for a job well done. We always try to provide the best service, and we take pride in providing the highest quality with great attention to detail. It's our guarantee. But don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll love our exceptional service and attention to detail that have become our specialty. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.